Yep. Just because of the nice view, I thought I'd just record the walk. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah. So this is it then. Yeah, this is a proper old fallout bunker. These are all the ventilation ducts, aren't they? Right. Trying to taking it off its not hinges, it's taking the entire door off, haven't they? The hatch. Is there much water down there, can you see?
No, because it's a little grate.
Oh,
what
yeah.
I'm worried about is the ladder.
Oh, it's pretty heftily bought into that concrete.
Yeah, but this isn't protecting it anymore. I'll try it.
Okay.
Yeah, that handle won't do anything.
Oh. Is that going to hold, do you think?
It's not going anywhere. I think it's not big enough to get past that. You feel the scale going down there. Careful on both hands.
It's quite spectacular, that sky.
We've got that storm coming over.
Yeah, we have. Oh my word, we have. My word. That's just grey over there.
Yeah, that's what's coming next.
Yeah. Oh my word.
Without being able to get this off, I feel like we're going to have to. It's going to be very awkward getting past that.
Yeah.
Safely. And also,
I mean, could you just give it the ladder a little shake, just to see if it is?
yeah, it is feels solid. Although I don't know, every rung is solid. You know, you might get to one it's worse than the others.
Yeah.
Might be it's quite a long way down. Oh, it's claustrophobic.
Yep. Well, I mean, it would be claustrophobic staying in a shelter for quite a few days after who knows what's happened on the surface. Here we are.
Going into the bunker.
You don't need to say that, you know. I mean, what is there down there really? So there's pretty much nothing left really, is there?
Someone's used it for a little base because there's some cans of beer,
Yeah.
cigarettes, and a pan. Oink oink.
Interesting.
The box is here for this siren.
Yeah. Is it pretty rotten?
No, well, the writing on the top's very good condition, but the rest of it just looks like yours, really.
Yeah.
Stake with some wire in it. Most of the stuff isn't original stuff.
Yeah.
Fuse box. Do you know what that was for?
Yeah, I was just having a look at that. I'm not
Looks
entirely...
like it would have had a wheel on it that you turn.
A valve, sort of.
Yeah, that sort of thing.
Where does that pipe go? I can sort of see the pipe goes somewhere up here.
Yeah. It's the sort of thing you'd find lying around and then be able to put it on and then get out.
Yeah. I'd say it's probably there's a pipe going here, and it looks like it's going to some sort of water reserve, I'd imagine. Yeah.
With the clouds behind. Yeah.
It's just absolute darkness over there. Yeah, don't worry, I am. This is probably going to be absolutely... Whoa! All of these are, really.
I'll show you walking because there could be nests. Just make a definite head on a nest.
Yeah. This is going to be absolutely atrocious video quality, probably. Don't know what I'm worrying about.
Water.
Oh yeah, it's completely flooded in there.
Yeah, but that is it, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see down where it goes down. You come up a bit to where the angle that I'm at.
Oh yeah, I see. Let's go zoom in so I can get...
See the curved brickwork at the back.
It's hard to focus in there.
Yeah. You see that?
Oh yeah, look at the bricks.
Yeah. I wonder if I could just show it down from this end. Oh yeah. Oh wow. This is better.
Okay, hold on, I'll see if I can... Oh right, yeah. Sorry, I see what you mean now. Oh wow, yeah.
So there's just 2 rows that you can sit on, of seats.
Yeah, oh yeah, there would have been, yeah.
Stinks.
Breathe that in. Is that all barbed wire they've got left at the bottom?
It looks like it. Stuff has been dumped down.
Probably what they use it for after the war.
Yeah.
Don't think there's anything in this brick building.
Pardon?
Don't think there's anything in the brick building, really.
No, it hasn't even got a roof on it anymore.
Oh.
Right, that's quite a neat structure though, that.
The area shelter.
Yeah.
Yeah. To be honest, a lot of the stuff that they had in World War II was quite nicely designed, really. Yeah, look at... Lovely, that old curved brick roof.
Yeah. Just going to get it from this angle with this.
Yeah.
Maybe it's way behind. even other structure here.
Where are we looking, sorry? Oh yeah, there is. Oh dear. Gonna have a quick look at this then. This might have just been a little farm building. Steel rebar. Not steel rebar. Oh, maybe it is steel rebar. So, what do you call that concrete with metal implants in it?
It's just been cast into the concrete.
Alright. It's not rebar, is it?
Oh yeah, rebar. Yeah.
Oh, it is called rebar, okay, yeah. I was gonna say.
Sorry, I didn't know what you meant. I didn't know you meant the metal. What is it?
Yeah, yeah. It might have just been a store at one point or something.
Right, we need to get across there.
Yeah. Yes. We should. Oh, yep. Yeah, it's just an empty shell we're building now. Yeah. More? Oh.
Sticking out all over the place.
Just looks quite amazing.